Hello and welcome. My name is Luca Moschini and I will be your instructor for this course. I am the founder of Sharper Trades, an online trading education site that offers a comprehensive trading program based on technical analysis, candlestick analysis, and option trading strategies. This course is entitled The 10 Most Powerful and Effective Rules of Successful Trading. This is a foundation course with the goal to teach students important trading rules that every successful trader around the world follows. Those rules include what to trade and not to trade, the best time to trade and the worst time to trade, how to deal with losing trades, and how to be patient with winning trades, how to effectively calculate risk and reward ratio, and so much more. With all of our videos, please feel free to pause and read the risk disclaimer as often as you need to. Basically, all the information shared in this course is provided for educational purposes only. Trading results can never be guaranteed. This is not an offer to buy or sell stocks, forex, futures, options, commodities, interest, or any other trading security. The information contained within this course, including website pages, videos, written material, live or recorded events, email transmissions, faxes, recorded voice messages, and any other associated messages and media, is provided for informational and educational purposes only. With that in mind, let's move on to our next lecture.